Today, I'll walk you through how to rename a notebook in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to change the name of your notebook so you can keep your notes organized and easily accessible. Let's get started. First, open the OneNote application on your device. This is your digital notebook where you can jot down notes, ideas, and more. Once the app is open, look for the File option in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you can manage your notebooks. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Info. Here you will see an option labeled My Notebook. Click on it and then look for Settings. This will open up a new drop-down menu for you. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps are generally the same across versions. In the Settings menu, click on Properties. A notebook property window will appear. Think of this as the control panel for your notebook. Here you can modify various aspects of your notebook, including changing the display name and even the color. Once the notebook property window is open, you will see a field where you can enter a new name for your notebook. Type in your desired name. This is your chance to make it more descriptive or personal. After you've entered the new name, click OK to save your changes. And just like that, you've successfully renamed your notebook in OneNote. It's similar to giving a book a new title. It helps you identify its contents at a glance. If you want to ensure everything is organized, you can also change the color of your notebook in the same properties window. This can help you visually distinguish between different notebooks, making your workflow smoother. If you encounter any issues or if your interface looks different, don't worry. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just follow along with the steps and you'll be able to rename your notebook in no time. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.